Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Tune 720BT wireless headphones, and before you make a choice on your next audio purchase, you need to watch this complete review. We've done all the research to bring you the most comprehensive analysis, and you'll find the best price linked in our description below. So you clicked because you want to know if the JBL Tune 720BT delivers on performance, price, and real-world usage. We'll cover everything from sound quality to battery life and connectivity. Let's dive right in and get started. The JBL Tune 720BT leads with its exceptional JBL Pure Bass Sound technology, the same audio engineering that powers world-famous concert venues and recording studios. These over-ear wireless headphones feature Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, delivering crystal-clear audio transmission with minimal latency and extended range up to 33 feet. The headphones pack 40mm dynamic drivers that produce frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, ensuring you experience every note from deep bass to crisp highs. What makes these headphones truly outstanding is their target audience versatility. Whether you're a daily commuter needing reliable noise isolation, a fitness enthusiast requiring secure-fitting headphones for workouts, or a remote worker demanding clear call quality for video conferences, the Tune 720BT adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. The lightweight design at just 220 grams ensures comfortable extended wear without causing fatigue during those marathon listening sessions. Furthermore, the customization options through the free JBL Headphones app elevate these headphones above standard wireless options. You can choose from multiple preset EQ modes including jazz, classical, pop, and hip-hop, or create your own custom EQ curve to match your specific content and personal taste. The app also provides voice prompts in your preferred language, guiding you through all the Tune 720BT features effortlessly. The standout voice-aware technology during hands-free calls is remarkable. You can actually hear your own voice while speaking, eliminating that disconnected feeling common with other wireless headphones. The convenient ear cup controls allow you to manage calls, adjust volume, and skip tracks without reaching for your phone. Additionally, the headphones support multi-point connection, meaning you can seamlessly switch between your laptop and smartphone without manual repairing. Battery life is where these headphones truly shine with an impressive 76 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Even more remarkable is the speed charging capability. Just 5 minutes of charging provides 3 hours of playback time. This exceptional battery performance means you could listen for over 3 full days without needing to recharge, making them perfect for long flights, road trips, or simply forgetting to charge for a week. Moreover, the foldable design with included carrying pouch makes these headphones incredibly portable. The adjustable headband and soft ear cushions provide a secure yet comfortable fit for various head sizes, while the durable construction ensures they'll withstand daily use and occasional drops. However, one notable downside some users may find is the lack of active noise cancellation. While the over-ear design provides decent passive noise isolation, those frequently in extremely noisy environments like airplane cabins or busy cafes might prefer headphones with dedicated ANC technology. The plastic construction, while keeping the weight down, also means they don't feel as premium as some metal-built competitors in similar price ranges. The wireless performance using Bluetooth 5.3 is outstanding, maintaining stable connections even in areas with multiple wireless devices. Audio-video synchronization remains precise, making these headphones suitable for watching movies or gaming without noticeable lag. You got it! So that's it for the best wireless headphones on the market for this year in the budget-friendly category. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.